The E4A error code on a Frigidaire dryer indicates a problem with the moisture sensor. This sensor is responsible for detecting the moisture levels in the clothes and signaling the dryer to stop when the desired dryness is reached. To troubleshoot and resolve the E4A error, follow these steps. First, ensure the dryer is properly installed and vented. A clogged or kinked vent can cause the moisture sensor to malfunction. Check the venting system for any blockages or restrictions and clean or replace it as needed. Next, inspect the moisture sensor itself. The sensor is usually located inside the dryer drum or on the back of the dryer. Check for any signs of damage, corrosion, or buildup of debris. Clean the sensor gently with a soft brush or replace it if necessary. Another possible cause of the E4A error is a faulty wiring connection. Check the wiring harness for any signs of damage, wear, or corrosion. Verify that all connections are secure and not loose. If the issue persists, try resetting the dryer. Unplug the dryer from the power outlet. Wait for a few minutes, and then plug it back in. This can sometimes resolve the error code. In some cases, the E4A error may be caused by a faulty control board. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to replace the control board. However, this should be done by a qualified technician to prevent the E4A error from occurring in the future. Regular maintenance is essential. Clean the lint filter after each use. Check and clean the venting system regularly. And ensure the dryer is properly installed and level. By following these steps and best practices, you can troubleshoot and resolve the E4A error on your Frigidaire dryer and ensure optimal performance and efficiency.